Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to remap keys on your keyboard in Windows 10. This is really useful if a key is broken, or if you want to customize your layout for gaming or productivity. Let's get started. We're going to use a free and trusted app from Microsoft called PowerToys. So first, open your browser and search for Microsoft PowerToys GitHub, or just go to the Microsoft Store. Download and install PowerToys, then go ahead and launch it. Once it's open, look at the left sidebar and click on Keyboard Manager. Now toggle on the option that says Enable Keyboard Manager. Then click Remap a key. In this new window, click the plus button to add a new key mapping. Now, under Key, click the box and press the key you want to change. For example, if your Caps Lock key is broken and you want it to act like Shift, press Caps Lock, then under Mapped to, select Shift, click OK, and you're done. Your keyboard now recognizes that key as something else. And don't worry, this can be undone anytime by reopening PowerToys and deleting the mapping. One bonus tip, you can also remap shortcuts in the same tool by selecting Remap a shortcut instead. And that's how you remap keys in Windows 10. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tips, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Got a specific remap in mind? Ask in the comments.